Hello, welcome back to Muggy Dishes. Today we're going to be making tiramisu.
99 names of Allah.
I have all the ingredients laid out in front of me. To start off, I want to whisk 6 egg yolks together on top of hot boiling water. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar into my egg yolk. I'm going to whisk it until it becomes creamy. Then I let it cool down. In the mixture, I add a half container of mascarpone cheese and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. While it's mixing, I add a half a cup of heavy cream and 2 whipped cream containers. It should have this type of consistency. Now I add my eggs into the mixture. I also made 4 cups of strong coffee to dip my lady fingers in. Here you see making my tiramisu cake. To top it all off, I use a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. To decorate it, I use triple chocolate cake bites. And here is my end result.
المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدئ المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد.
You can use anything to serve it with, but I like to use whipped cream.
المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الوالي المتعال البر التواب المتقيم العفو الرؤوف مالك الملك ذو الجلال والإكرام. يا